Hey babe, welcome back to Absolutely Abstin. Today we are talking about social media for dropshipping, specifically TikTok versus Instagram, and which platform is the absolute best to market your business. This is going to be a long video, so let's get into it. My name is Asia Abstin, CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 3,000 students launch digital streams of income. All right, so first, let's talk about Instagram. Instagram is obviously the larger, more established, older platform. Everybody knows it, and there are some bonuses in that. Instagram also has really diverse ways of posting content. You can do static photos, you can do reels, you can go live, you can do carousel posts, and when you are trying to sell or market a product, having all those different types of ways to post content is definitely a plus. Then Instagram also has more commerce-centered tools, like more ways to make money. You can tag products in photos, you can tag products in your live streams, you can tag products in reels, you can send your product catalog via DM, you can have a whole Instagram shop attached directly to your profile. So there are all these little ways to make money on Instagram easily. And when you're running an e-commerce business and you're trying to make money, those are definitely pros. Also, Instagram has far richer captions. You can really go on and on and on in an Instagram caption if you need to. You can use line breaks, you can use emojis, you can really use your captions to tell a story. And you don't really have that option on TikTok. You really get 2 lines most of the time. So most products require some serious copywriting, and you don't really have an easy way to do that on TikTok. Lastly, what I love about Instagram as far as making money for e-commerce brands, for dropshipping brands specifically, is the ability to DM anyone. On TikTok, you have to be following each other in order to DM, versus on Insta, anybody can DM you, you can DM anybody. Why does that matter? Because customers have questions about products. They want to know. They want to get those questions answered in real time if they can, before they make a purchase, before they go to your website. And through Instagram, you can have a direct message conversation. Hell, you can call somebody on the phone via Instagram. You guys can FaceTime in Instagram to answer those questions if you so choose. So when it comes to making money and driving traffic to your store, Instagram has got you covered. But TikTok has some pros too. Let's talk about that. All right, so there are definitely some pros to using TikTok as your main social media stream as a drop shipper. First up, ads. So ads on TikTok are booming. Why? It's just a newer platform, and they want more businesses to come there to spend money. So the gods of TikTok are making sure that your ads are super targeted and are able to convert really, really quickly with only, without spending a ton of money. So if you are good at ads and are running ads on TikTok, the money is definitely there. It's also a newer, hotter platform, right? So everybody wants to be a part of the new hot thing. And the new hot thing is always going to be, trying to one up the competitor. So they're coming out with features left and right that Instagram has been dragging its feet on for a very long time. So that might be a bonus for you. Next, I would say the TikTok For You page is a lot better than Instagram's version of the For You page, Explore page, I guess you want to call it. Because it's hyper targeted. You're never going to get anything random on your For You page on TikTok the way you would on Instagram. And why does that matter? Because if somebody is searching for your type of product or something in your niche on TikTok, your product might pop up for them really, really quickly, especially as compared to Instagram. And then another bonus for TikTok is they have super casual content. The style of the content is just chill. So when you're busy running a dropshipping store, you've got a million things to do, having hyper stylized, content might not work for you, like the content that we usually produce and see on Instagram. So if you're more chill, if you just want to like get it done, knock it out, DIY it, which a lot of especially new entrepreneurs and new dropshippers do, TikTok might be your platform. So the question is, which platform is better for dropshippers? And my answer is, it actually depends. It just depends on you. It depends on how consistent are you going to be? Are you going to show up every single day, or are you going to pop on occasionally? Which platform do you actually like? What are you actually selling? Where does your target audience hang out? It doesn't matter if you're in love with Instagram and want to do Instagram if your target audience lives and breathes on TikTok, right? Because this is not for us. We're not doing it for fun. You can be on the platform of your choice for your personal life, but your business, your social media pages that you're using to really drive traffic to your store, it matters where your customer is, and it matters what you're selling. And it matters what skill level you have at creating content. Can you make it stylized and amazing and use all the features and bells and whistles that are happening on Instagram? Or do you need to keep it super simple because that's where your skill level lives at? So the answer is really either one, based on you. Ultimately, my advice to you would be to test both platforms out. That is the beauty of being a dropshipper. You know, all the time and money and energy we save by never having to buy inventory, never having to go to the post office, never having to pack and ship orders. Use that energy to test out both social media platforms and figure out which one is right for you. Spend 30 days devoted to both platforms and see where you organically fit, and then where your audience is able to find you and you're able to actually send people from your social media page to the checkout on your website. Because all that matters is that we make money at the end of the day. So of course, I have a question for you. Let me know in the comments, which one are you going to use? Which one are you already using? Are you using Instagram as a dropshipper? Are you using TikTok? Do you think you're going to switch now that you know some of the pros that we just talked about? I always want to hear from you guys. I'm going to test both myself, and then I'll double back on this video and let you know which one is really performing for me. Now, if you guys need more guidance on exactly how to get into e-commerce, how to get into dropshipping, you know I've got a free dropshipping masterclass for you to teach you the ins and outs on how to get into the business. Just click the link in the description box to register right now, and I will see you in class. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me this week. Please like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments, what other questions do you have about dropshipping? What can I make videos about for you guys? And I will see you in the masterclass. Peace.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, maxed out.